We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you guys to smash that like button, and here we are with Bbby, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. Now, the stock has done a complete transition from bright green to white with red borders, which is the rip area, to the dip area. And once we hit these dip areas, there tends to be reversals, right? The last time we hit a dip area was back here on the 6th to the 7th. We did a complete transition back up towards the rip area and a continuation of strength up to this point in the last 2 days. Now we're here and we need to talk about what 42 Vision is showing in our inflow versus outflow indicators. But while the stock was going down, we also had other stocks in the market going up, and one of our bots sent out this notification, and it was our Apple bot. It sent out a bull indicator since 8:30 a.m. and from that moment forward, leading up to the bell and after the bell, there was a continuation of strength and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And this is my opinion alone, not financial advice. I personally believe volatility is here to stay, and having an edge and clarity over the charts makes all the difference to maximize within the volatility, right? So Bbby has done a transition here from the dip into the beginning transitions of almost a rip, right? The next part of this transition would be bright green. We need to see what our inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators are showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And as you see popping up here on the screen, these are some of the home runs I've managed to find this week alone. While not guaranteed to be this way every single time, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, SPRC, BIAF, and this is how they perform. So we caught BIAF pulling downwards towards the bell, sitting sideways afterwards. Those inflows crossed over, full strength on 42 Vision, and it gave a highest point of 25% plus. Now, we also caught SPRC pulling back towards the bell as well, found support, full strength on 42 Vision, inflows crossed the midpoint with strength, and gave a highest point of 30% plus within minutes to hours, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with Bbby, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. And the stock continues to try to hold support, right? It didn't go all the way down below $8. It's fighting to get back over $8.50, and it's trying to get towards $9. And then after that, if it can find support, the recent highs of $9.50 will be super important to try to break through if this wants to go any higher. I've seen price targets in the comments in my previous videos of $15, of $12, of $20 plus. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Where do you see this going? Because if you really look at it from the zoomed out picture, the stock is having so far a staircase effect. And this is what you call the setup before the next bull run, as I like to call it. Now, it's not guaranteed just yet. We need to see what's going on, and we need to see this breakthrough resistance levels where the bulls can actually start dominating over the chart. But it is important to keep these levels in mind, right? So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. The slots are now open for those interested. Once again, that link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. So here we are with a bear indicator getting canceled by this bull indicator today towards the end of the day. We hit a dip area here, complete transition from the rip to the dip, and it fell from 940s to $8, and we're back up towards the 870s, and it hit highs here of $8.99. $9 is a key resistance level, and then it's only 40 cents, 50 cents away from the recent high. And then we need to talk about higher levels if that gets crossed, right? Another thing too, the inflows got crossed back up since the date that they got crossed downwards, which was yesterday. It crossed right around here at the beginning of the bell at around $9, fell down to $8, found support, bounced back up. The inflow started to pick up, got that extra confirmation with the bull indicator and the transitions, and inflows picked up right around that area of this bar right before it, continuation, and triple confirmation, right? Dark green bars, bull indicator, and inflows crossed. Now we need to talk about what to watch going into tomorrow, right? When you zoom into the volatility here on the 15-minute, the inflows crossed at around 838, and we've seen a complete transition from the dip to the rip, okay? Now, on the 30-minute time frame, we're only at dark green, but on the 15-minute, we've done a complete transition and the inflows are up. So we need this to not come back down towards the midpoint or even retest it or even get close to it. If not, we need this to pull up further away from it and continue going upwards. Now, it's at a key level of inflows like it was previously at around 0.4, 0.5, but the last time it actually picked up with some strength, it hit highs here of 0.99 and up here towards 1.25. So based off the history of strength of inflows, when it actually jumped from $8.29 to $9 and way back here from 7 to 8, it actually still has some room, and we definitely want to see these inflows continue to pick up with strength, right? Now on the 30-minute, it still has room as well, right? It's at 0.22 to 0.3. It was previously up here towards 1.05, and that's the areas it was at the last two times it ran. So it has room here as well on the 30-minute as long as it stays above the midpoint and pulls away from it. That's what I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow, the 15-minute and the 30-minute. And the last time we got a bull indicator, it lasted for 3 to 4 days in a row, and we just got one again, right? Canceling out this previous bear indicator. So I'm going to be watching that very, very closely here on the 30-minute and 15-minute. And at the same time, the 1 hour here is getting those inflows picking back up. As I stated in yesterday's video, we want to see these inflows get back up, even if they do not cross, to go from red to green, get closer to it. And as the 15-minute and 30-minute pull up, we want to see this 1 hour pull up as well and cancel out that bear indicator with a possible bull indicator to the upside, right? So what are the key levels I'm watching? Well, to the downside, we want to stay above $8. Below that will be down here at $7.50, $7.60. And to the upside, we want to break above the high of the day, which was nearly $9, $8.98, $8.99. And if that could be broken through, the next level is up here towards $9.50. And based off the history of the chart, would be back up here towards $10.50 to $11.50. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you see the inflows continuing? Do you see $9.50 getting broken through? Or this is just all a fake out within the pullback and that this bull indicator will get quickly canceled by a bear indicator? I look forward to seeing your thoughts. I'm going to be watching this bull indicator on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and those inflows on the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and 15-minute time frames. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.